Gina with WTI. Are you ready to soak up absolutely every ray of sunshine? Well, if you are like I am, then you need to be ready to get out and catch those rays at a moment's notice. And I am just loving using this picnic blanket from AMMSUN to do so. One of my favorite things about it is just how lightweight it is. If I'm going to be walking onto the beach carrying things, I want them to be as light as possible because I don't want to get out of breath and overloaded by the time I get down to the beach. We live in the Pacific Northwest and we actually have some really beautiful beaches on our coast. We took this out to the Pacific Ocean and to the Columbia River, and it was so nice to be able just to spread this out and be able to enjoy our time on the sand. Another thing that's great about it is that it is sandproof. So, of course, you get some sand on it and it just brushes right off. There's no residual left on the blanket at all. The bottom part of it is also waterproof, and I love that because oftentimes the sand might be a little bit damp, or if I want to go lay out on the grass or sit in my chair after we've had some dew or light rain, this is so nice to be able just to put on whatever I'm wanting to lay on and not worry about getting wet. This also has a hole in the middle that you can put an umbrella in, and it works really well with AMMSUN's umbrellas when you use them with just the stake and not the sand anchor. It looks really good. This style is called Ocean Cadence, and I love the colors. They're so vibrant and beautiful, and the size is just under 70 inches by 70 inches, which is perfect. AMMSUN has a lot of different colors and sizes of beach blankets, and they are made for fun in the sun. So go get yourself one, and that's my point of view.